So hello, I'm going to show you how to create different footers and headers in a single document. I'm going to start typing here cover, then I select layout breaks, and I will create a new section break with the next page. How can I see where are the sections or in which section am I? You can see it down here in this label section 2, and that's where I am right now. So let's type here index, and then I will add another page but in the same section. So I will hit Ctrl and enter, and with this one I'm going to type introduction and another page, the third one in the same section, that is going to be objectives. For the last, I'm going to add another section break with the next page, and we will have three sections. Right now I am in the third section. In here I type development. Okay, then I'm going to the first one, and I will add here a header. With this header I can select any that I like, for example this one, and I will type sports, and this should be my header. Now I have to check if that header is on in all pages. In fact, is that so? Then I will be located in the second page in the section 2. In here I'm going to modify something. In order for me to create different headers, I have to modify or change something. So in the second page I'm going to double click in the header area, and I have to check if the link previous button is activated, or so I have to turn it off, because that allows me to change manually the first header in the first section. And going up, select the box in the first page, and I delete it manually. Close the header, and I see that the first page, the cover, doesn't have the header, but the other ones, they still have them. Okay, now I will add a footer, and to add a footer, I will double click here in the header area and select the go to the footer, and in this section, the header and footers, I will select footer, and again you can select any that you want. I'm going to take this one. I don't know if you are able to see it. It's like that. Okay, with this one I would make some normal formatting numbers. For example, for the index, introduction, and objectives, this ordinal number I will change it to the Roman numbers. So I have to select or highlight it, then select page number, and then format page number. In this box I select the Roman numbers, and it has to start from the first Roman number. Now let's check that out. Okay, moving down, this is the second Roman number, and this is the third Roman number. Okay, but has something no that we have to change. This is this is um, this is section 1, and with the section 1 we don't need this footer there. So I should select the footer in section 2 and turn off the link to previous button or disactivate. Click over there, click over there, and manually I delete the footer over there. So the cover page is blank, just with the name. The index has the footer there and the header. And for the last page, that is the development, we have page 4. This page 4, I'm going to select the number page 4, and I will tell Word that it has to start from page 1. Okay, close. Now just to finish, let's see how does it work. Okay, I'm going to create a table of content here, and to do that, first of all, I have to select the titles, not the headers, the titles, in this case index, and I have to apply the heading styles. Can be heading 1 and heading 2. Select heading 1, then highlight introduction, and again select heading 1, objectives, heading 1, and for the last development, apply heading 1, and I'll be locating my cursor into the first page here in the index page. Now I'm going to references menu or option. Okay, come on. Well, something is happening here. I do believe it's updating. Okay, the table contents. Now with the table of contents, you can select any that you want. Even you can customize one table, but I will select this one. And what I want you to see is that table of contents and applying the headers. Okay, we can have the numbers here, and we can have the Roman numbers and the ordinal numbers. Okay, I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you very much for listening to me, and any questions you can ask me in the comments, and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you very much. See you.